Hi, and welcome to AI Content Lab. In today's video, we're reviewing Pictory and whether it's actually worth using for faceless YouTube content creators. I'll walk you through the key features, pricing, pros and cons, and who this tool is best suited for. Let's take a closer look. Here we're inside the Pictory dashboard. To get started, you can choose from several options including text to video, URL to video, and other content conversion tools. For faceless YouTube creators, the most useful feature is the text to video workflow, which allows you to paste a script and automatically generate scenes. After pasting in your script, you simply click Generate, and Pictory will analyze the text and begin building scenes automatically. You can then choose from a range of templates depending on the visual style you want for your video. Once selected, the platform processes everything in the background. This usually takes just a few seconds. From there, you can preview the automatically generated video to see how the scenes, text, and visuals have been matched to your script. From here, you're able to edit scenes, change visuals, and refine the final output before exporting. From here, you can customize each individual scene. You're able to swap out stock footage, adjust text positioning, and refine how the visuals match your script. This is where you can add more personality to the video and avoid the footage feeling too generic. Once you're happy with the changes, you can preview the updated version to see how everything flows together. This makes it easy to quickly iterate and improve the final result before exporting. You're able to swap out stock footage, adjust text positioning, and refine how the visuals match your script. This is where you can add more personality to the video and avoid the footage feeling too generic.
Creation with Pictory. Simply type your script to get started.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Pictory. Simply type your script to get started.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Pictory. Simply type your script.
Pictory also allows you to experiment with different voiceovers and avatar styles depending on the type of content you're creating. You can switch between various AI voices to find a tone that fits your channel, whether that's more professional, conversational, or energetic.
This makes content production faster and easier for beginners. AI tools are changing how creators build faceless YouTube channels. With platforms like Pictory,
this flexibility is useful if you're producing different styles of content or testing what resonates most with your audience. However, as with most AI-generated voices, some may sound more natural than others, so it's worth previewing a few options before finalizing your video. Pictory also supports multiple languages for voiceovers, which can be useful if you're creating content for different audiences or testing international markets.
Se sorridi quando nessun altro è nei paraggi, lo intendi davvero.
Villa sul lago di Como.
Nel bosco frusciante non ci fu più nulla da udire all'infuori del vento di tempesta che rumoreggiava impetuoso nelle cime degli alberi.
You can also add background music directly inside the platform, choosing from a built-in library of soundtracks to enhance the final video. The layout options allow you to adjust how text appears on screen, including repositioning elements to better match your visual style.
AI tools are changing how creators build. AI tools are changing how creators build faceless YouTube channels.
There are also additional design elements available, such as shapes, animated
AI
graphics,
tools are changing
GIFs,
how
and
creators build
emojis,
faceless
which can help
YouTube
make
channels.
videos more
With
dynamic.
platforms like Pictory, you can turn simple scripts into
Finally, you can customize fonts and text styles to align with your branding and improve readability.
With platforms like Pictory, you can turn
Let's talk pricing while I am reviewing the different functions on screen. Pictory offers multiple subscription tiers depending on how frequently you plan to create videos and which features you need access to. Entry-level plans are suitable for beginners or lighter usage, while higher tiers provide greater limits and additional functionality. Since pricing can change over time, I recommend checking the current plans using the link in the description below. Once you're happy with the final version, you can use the share function to distribute the video directly or export it for use on platforms like YouTube. The export process is straightforward, allowing you to download the finished video in just a few clicks. So, overall, Pictory is a strong option for creators who prioritize speed and simplicity. It makes it easy to turn a basic script into a complete video without needing advanced editing skills. And the biggest advantage is how quickly you can produce faceless content. However, it does come with some limitations in creative control, and certain stock visuals may feel repetitive over time. Based on this walkthrough, it appears to be a practical starting point for beginners, side hustlers, or anyone testing faceless YouTube content. For more advanced creators who want deeper customization, you may eventually outgrow it. If you'd like to try Pictory for yourself, I've placed a link in the description below. For more reviews and tutorials on building faceless YouTube channels with AI tools, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.